Well, hope you have your umbrella with you because you're probably going to need it.
You know what? It's spring, and that's what we expect for spring, George, because we need April showers to bring those Mayflowers.
Yeah, my flowers are popping up.
Mine
My
too.
tulips finally came out.
Yay.
Yeah, they actually look pretty good this year. But we have some cooler weather coming our way, and the good news is it is going to be dry this weekend. A 13 weather ball, though, for tonight is blinking bright. We have a lot of rain that'll affect everyone in sight, certainly more than this afternoon. And it's also green, no change to the 50s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And around the region, it's been pretty much an overcast day, but some hints of some sunshine from time to time, very filtered sunshine. But we have also seen some showers. Temperatures are in the low and mid 50s. Further south, it's 60 plus. Thought we would get into that air today. We did not. We are stuck pretty much in the 50s. That's actually about 5 to 10 degrees cooler compared to yesterday at this time. As you saw here on the radar animation, we had a few light rain showers go through this afternoon, but there are a lot more on the way. Here they come up out of Illinois, and they're going to overspread the region after dark. So that's a good timing. It'll be overnight tonight when most folks are staying indoors. Got a low pressure system that'll be quickly racing to the northeast, taking all that rain with it. Behind this system, it is going to be cool. These are temperatures right now in the 40s, and that's where we're headed on Saturday after 50s here tomorrow. Look at the rain. This is 8 o'clock tonight. That's overnight. By 2 a.m., the bulk of the rain pulls away. We actually get some clearing. You'll wake up to a lot of sunshine. Nice sunny day coming up here tomorrow. Some high clouds coming in at the end of the day. And then there's a Saturday. We're going to start out the day with some sunshine. Lots of clouds throughout the day. We'll call it a mostly cloudy, if not overcast day. But all of these days, Friday, Saturday, even to Sunday, are going to be dry with some sunshine again on Sunday afternoon. Rainfall, this will all be tonight, about 1/4 of an inch, a little bit more south of Grand Rapids down into northern Indiana. Still less than 1/4 of an inch in most areas. High temperatures up into the low to mid 50s here tomorrow. Will be in the mid and upper 40s on Saturday with lots of clouds around, but recovering back into the 50s again on Sunday. It's certainly cooler than the 70s from last weekend. Long range outlook, this is looking at the end of our 10-day forecast. From the 24th through the 28th, we have an equal chance for warmer or cooler temperatures, and our average highs at that time are in the low 60s. As far as rainfall, we have a little higher chance for more precipitation. You'll see how's that reflected in the 10-day forecast here in a moment. Forecast then for tonight, look for cloudy skies, rain developing after about 8 or 9 o'clock. Upper 30s northern half of the lakeshore zone, low 40s further south. Northern zone, you can see your rain after about 9 or 10 o'clock or so. Upper 30s to maybe as warm as 42 there in Greenville, a light north wind. That'll be increasing though later tonight. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, overnight lows between about 43 and 45 with that rain through about 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. 13 on your side forecast. Right around 52 or so, and sunny on your Friday. There's that cloudy skies on Saturday. Not a really great day, kind of an indoor kind of day. 54 and back to sunny and breezy conditions Sunday. Jumping to 61 with increasing clouds Monday. Another round of rain next Tuesday. Just about everyone will see at least half an inch of rain with that. Drying out again Wednesday and Thursday, but the following weekend it is going to be a little bit milder, but it's also going to be rather wet around West Michigan. So dry, cool this weekend. Following weekend will be wet.
And it's perfect to make those flowers bloom and the grass green and everything grow.
And still a few days of sunshine on there.
Yeah,
Thank you,
got
George.
that right. A few sprinkles earlier today, but there's more significant rain on the way tonight. It's all going to be very light, no worries, and most of it will occur after the sun goes down. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for those evening showers tonight. It's also green, no change to the now 50s foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
And you're planning on walking the dog, the law firm of Weston, Brooks and Nash. No, probably not. But Denver looking good there. I like that tongue. You're going to dodge some showers here after about 8 o'clock tonight as the rain moves in, giving you a yellow paw for those time periods. But green otherwise for early this evening and early tomorrow morning as we drop from the 50s into the 40s. More sunshine here tomorrow after the rain tonight. almost double what we saw during the day today, 7.2. Winds will be up as well behind the system, 6.8 out of a 10-point scale. Good day to create green energy here in West Michigan. Earth Day is next Monday. As far as our weather, we saw those sprinkles of rain come through this afternoon. They've calmed down for a little while, but we've got more coming in from the southwest up out of Illinois. This is going to overspread the region after dark tonight, and it'll be out of here after about 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. So perfect timing while you are sleeping. It's all because of a low pressure system down in Illinois that's going to quickly zip off to the northeast. There's the rain. Right now, by 8 o'clock, it's already moving into West Michigan. By about 2 o'clock in the morning, there's the back edge of that, and then clearing skies. So we're going to see bright blue sunshine tomorrow morning throughout most of the day. A few clouds coming in late in the day, especially off to the north, but those will even clear on out. Kind of a clear and cool night, Friday night into Saturday. Now, Saturday itself, not a great day. A lot of clouds around. It'll be a very strong west wind. Be very chilly, highs only in the 40s, and then we recover on Sunday. Clear night Saturday night, and lots of sunshine again expected on your Sunday. Rainfall, all of this will be this evening, about 1/4 of an inch, maybe even 1/3 of an inch just south of Grand Rapids, on up through north of Lansing to south of Saginaw to the north, maybe 1/4 of an inch, but certainly not as much as we saw earlier this month. High around 52 here in Grand Rapids tomorrow. There are 40s looming off to the north and west, and we're going to see those come in during the day on Saturday. We'll be barely out of the mid and upper 40s and back into the 50s on Sunday. Next week, we may get close to 60 by Monday. A long-range outlook. This is just beyond our 10-day forecast you'll see in a moment. High chances that the warmer temperatures will return. Averages are in the low and mid 60s, but much, if not all of the country, going to see high chances for more precipitation than usual. And that's good news for those areas that haven't seen a lot of rain so far this spring. So for tonight, light rain will be moving in here in the next couple of hours along the lakeshore. Your temperatures in north will be dropping into the mid and upper 30s. Kind of a cool night, low 40s further south. North winds will start to pick up later on tonight. Here to the north, we're looking at 38 to 39 to as warm as 42 in Greenville as that rain moves in after about 9 or 10 o'clock tonight. And here in the greater Grand Rapids area, 8 o'clock here in the Allegan area to maybe as late as 10 over in Ionia. Overnight lows into the low and mid 50s. Light north wind will increase again later on tonight. 13 on your side forecast. When you wake up, you'll see sunshine. We'll climb to 52 here tomorrow. Kind of a windy day as well as Saturday, but only 46 for a high Saturday, back to 54. And wind starting to come down, but still breezy on Sunday. Look for sunshine to start the day Monday with increasing clouds in the afternoon up to 61. A little bit cooler behind that system on Tuesday with some rain. We'll stay in the 50s middle part of next week, but then warming up to 60 plus Friday, the following Saturday and Sunday with some wind. But right now, despite upper 60s, it will be rather wet.
George, just what we need, some rain and then some sunshine to really make those leaves pop out on the trees.
Yeah, I wish this weekend was like last weekend.
Yeah.
It was great, sunny.
Beautiful.
Then 70s. Yeah, we'll see the sunshine, Juliet.
Well, that's good.
Yeah, but it's not going to be 70.
It's still spring.
It's still spring, yes. It's a little early for that, but we do have some rain on the way as you are sleeping tonight. 13 weather ball is a blinking bright because of that insight. Okay, maybe if you go to bed by 8 o'clock, yeah. It will definitely be raining tonight, and it is also green. No change foreseen.
The 13 on your side weather ball, sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse.
Temperatures today, a little on the disappointing side. I thought we'd get up into the low 60s like Kalamazoo and Battle Creek on over toward Flint. Cooler air came down from the north and stuck around a little bit longer than I would have liked. We had forecast a 61, but it only made 55 as you saw there. We'll try to get back on track. We seem to be every other day. We're either on or off the forecast. We'll try to get back on. How about some positive news? 30-day temperature outlook came out this afternoon, as it does every third Thursday of the month. High chances we will see warmer than average temperatures for May, and as far as precipitation, we have an equal chance for more or less during the month. We usually get about 4 inches worth of rain. 90-day outlook also comes out same time. This is all the way through July, and we still have high chances for warmer than average readings with an equal chance for more or less precipitation. We get a little less than 12 inches divided equally among those 3 months. Speaking of precipitation, we've got rain on the way. It's going to be starting after about 8 or 9 o'clock along the lakeshore. At least no severe weather anticipated. We had a couple of sprinkles earlier today that have since come to an end, but more are on the way. This is 6 o'clock. This is coming up on 8 o'clock, already raining to the north. Here in Grand Rapids, it'll start right around 9, 10 o'clock, and by about 2 o'clock in the morning, the back edge will already be moving through West Michigan. You're going to wake up to beautiful blue skies, although definitely chilly. By the end of the day, some high clouds coming on in, but we'll call it a mainly sunny day, and then they'll clear on out. Saturday is when we'll see some strong winds and lots of clouds around, so not a great outdoor or feeling kind of day compared to Friday and Sunday. We'll see more clear skies Saturday night and on Sunday, and even on Monday when we'll finally get out of the 40s and 50s into the low 60s. In terms of rainfall, all of this will be falling later on this evening through about 3 a.m. About 1/3 of an inch from Ione over toward Lansing, maybe a 1/2 inch up toward the Thun. Further to the north, less rainfall. We'll have about 1/4 of an inch here in the greater Grand Rapids area. Tomorrow, lots of sunshine, kind of breezy though at the lakeshore with an onshore breeze. That'll keep your temperatures between about 50 and 54, not too far away from today. Northern zones, it'll be windy here, winds to around 30 miles an hour, 50 along US 10, low 50s further south. Here in the greater Grand Rapids area, will be between about 52 and 54, breezy toward the lakeshore, windier inland. 13 on your side forecast. Wind will continue all weekend long with sunshine sandwiched with that cloud cover on Saturday. 61 with increasing clouds after morning sunshine on Monday. Rain likely everywhere next Tuesday and then dry Wednesday and Thursday. Next weekend will start to warm back up into the mid and upper 60s, but it looks like next weekend will also be wet.